And this is news coming in. Emergency use approval has been given to Zydus from the Indian regulator. This is for the use of Virafin, which is used for treating moderate COVID infection in adults. Zydus, in fact, says that 91.15% of patients treated with this were RT-PCR negative by day 7. Ayushman joining us for more details. Ayushman, if you can take us through, tell us about Virafin and what Zydus says.
Currently, we have been told by our forces that the phase 3 trial of pegylated interferon alpha 2b had shown the promising result in treating COVID-19. It was said that when you administer this drug, the patients recover faster and there is a very, very less chance of complication. And currently, they had applied for the emergency use. So this is a drug which we are talking about. It's a milestone. If it actually approves of what we are listening from the company, it will be a milestone drug because it is not a vaccine. It is a drug. Currently, the company says that they have not yet received the official nod from the DCGI. But what we have been told, Avni, from our sources in DCGI, is that this company, through the third phase trial, had shown that 91.15% of the patients treated with pegylated interferon alpha 2b were RT-PCR negative by day 7 as compared to the other forms. And also, the supplemental oxygen which is required was reduced by 56 hours. So, if a moderate case required about 84 hours of oxygen, if a person was given pegylated interferon alpha 2b, he required only 56 hours of oxygen. Also, a single dose of pegylated interferon alpha 2b, if administered earlier, had shown high clinical improvement in patients. And this data they submitted in front of DCGI, and now DCGI, we are being told, has given the permission. We have to understand that this is a drug which is normally used in and administered in treating the chronic hepatitis B and C patients for many years. But Zydus Cadila says that this drug can somewhere be helpful in treating COVID-19, and now they have got the approval.